If you tried buying an HP laptop using an old guide today, you'd immediately run into a problem. HP has retired the Pavilion, Envy, and Spectre brands. Every consumer laptop now falls under the OmniBook name, divided into tiers 3, 5, 7, X, and Ultra. The rebrand has left many buyers confused. In this video, we'll cut through the confusion and rank the 5 best HP laptops to buy right now, from the best budget option to the overall top pick, based on who each one is designed for. Number 5 is the HP OmniBook 3. It's built for students, casual users, or anyone needing a second laptop for everyday tasks. As HP's entry-level model, it offers a full HD display on many configurations and around 12 hours of real-world battery life. The main drawback is its flexible plastic chassis, which can creak under pressure, and prices vary widely, so it's worth waiting for a good sale. Number 4 is the HP Victus 16, aimed at entry-level gamers and students who want solid gaming performance without premium pricing. It can be configured with up to an RTX 4070 GPU and a fast 144Hz display, delivering over 80 FPS in demanding games at high settings. The trade-offs are short battery life while gaming, a mostly plastic chassis, and a left-aligned touchpad that can lead to accidental touches. Number 3 is the HP ProBook 4, designed for small businesses, remote workers, and students who need dependable everyday performance. It features an AMD Ryzen 7 processor, a 14-inch display, plenty of built-in ports, and over 12 hours of battery life. Its drawbacks are a basic 300 nit display that's difficult to see outdoors and a plain plastic business design with no premium metal finish. Number 2 is the HP Omen 17, built for gamers who want desktop-level performance over portability. It combines a Ryzen processor, RTX 4070 graphics, and a large 17-inch display with a spacious chassis that delivers excellent cooling during long gaming sessions. The downsides are its nearly 3 kilograms weight, bulky power adapter, and short battery life when unplugged. Number 1 is the HP OmniBook Ultra 14, HP's premium flagship for creative professionals who want a high-end Windows laptop. It features a beautiful 14-inch 3000 OLED display, a durable forged metal chassis, and outstanding battery life of up to 26 hours of video playback. The main drawbacks are its soldered memory, which cannot be upgraded, and its premium price, which increases quickly as you add more storage. At the end of the day, the best HP laptop is the one that fits your needs. Whether it's the OmniBook 3 for everyday use, the Victus for budget gaming, the ProBook for business, the Omen for maximum performance, or the OmniBook Ultra for a premium experience, choosing the right tier matters more than ever after HP's rebrand. Let me know in the comments which of these 5 would you choose.